My colleagues before me have been excellent at describing some of the issues that are here. I want to get a little bit more technical because I think folks here really need to listen up and understand the consequences of what we just passed in 647. Ed Goldman has been cited twice now by my colleagues, and I would like to go back to some of his analyses because I think that they are critical for us to take into consideration, especially from 647. In what we just passed, we make it illegal to sell an oocyte for any purpose, and these are all part of the embryonic stem cells. They are routinely purchased from healthy donors by infertile couples who are undergoing in vitro fertilization. This provision would therefore prevent a very common form of IVF from occurring in Michigan. Again, is this the intended or unintended consequence of 647? We've also passed a bill that blocks the creation of embryo chimeras. What is an embryo chimera? Chimera is an individual organ or a part consisting of tissues of diverse genetic constitution. This is currently an unexplored area of science. Blocking this area of science has unknown consequences and could potentially prevent important areas of research from occurring in Michigan. This research is legal under federal law and in all or almost all of our states. Is this what we want to be known for in Michigan? Another part of the legislation that we just passed makes it illegal for a person to maintain statistical information that may reveal the identity of an individual who has donated embryos for research. What does this mean for Michigan? It will make illegal a protocol of Dr. Eva Feldman's that has already been approved by our Human Pluripotent Stem Cell Research Oversight Committee. This protocol will maintain confidential information on some embryo donors so that the characteristic of embryonic stem cells can be compared to their clinical history. The maintenance of such confidential information on patients is a common practice in clinical trials, but is only approved after institutional review boards and HPS-CRO committees confirm that stringent mechanisms are already in place to protect confidential information. Now, subsection of 647 may have been intended to prevent individuals from inadvertently being identified in the reporting process to the state government. Instead, this bill now blocks a form of stem cell research that was approved by voters under Proposal 2 and is already going ahead within the state. This is one of the main research goals of the Taubman Institute and will be eliminated by this bill. Is this really what we want to do in this state?